And welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Chase monthly benefit on DoorDash. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Chase Sapphire Reserve card and want to make sure they utilize it to the best of their ability. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and open up DoorDash, and then we're going to click on Me on the bottom right hand corner, click on Settings, scroll down, click on Payment, and then you want to make sure that you connect your Chase Sapphire Reserve card. So in order to do that, you're going to click on Credit or Debit Card, and this is where you're going to enter your Chase Sapphire Reserve card. So once you enter your Chase Sapphire Reserve card, the next thing that you need to do is that you need to click on Manage Dash Pass, and your screen might look different from mine because I already have Chase Sapphire subscription Dash Pass enabled. But on the screen, this is where you're going to connect your Chase Sapphire Reserve card as well. And so it might look different as far as like connecting your card goes. So if you click on Change Payment Method, that's the other screen that we reached before. But once you have Dash Pass connected, the next thing that you need to do is that if you place an order for food and add it to your cart, so for example, we have Poke Poku added here. Scroll down, I'm gonna click on Continue. On the last checkout screen, okay, on this screen here, you're gonna see where it says Chase Monthly Benefit, $5 off, pay with eligible card. You wanna make sure that this is toggled on so that you can get $5 off with your Chase monthly benefit. So that right there, guys, is going to go ahead and then apply a $5 discount, and there you have it. But that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your Chase monthly benefit on DoorDash. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually use this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.